Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones BEATS Solo3. To perform a hard reset you need to press and hold volume down button, located below the multifunctional button, and power button at the same time for at least 10 seconds. And you will see that this LED light starts flashing, so it means that it reset. So let's press and hold it, and you will see how it looks like. And here we go, we just did it. So firstly we need to remove these headphones. If you have iPhone you can click right now connect and you will reconnect it, and if you have Android you need to remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget. And after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and as you can see it automatically enter to pairing mode, so just tap on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!